In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize the crosshair cursor line style in Tradingview so your charts are easier to read and more comfortable to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and load any chart you want to work on. Make sure you're logged in so your settings can be saved. Now, move your mouse anywhere inside the chart area and right-click. A menu will appear. From that menu, click on Settings. This opens the Chart Settings panel. Next, look for the tab called Canvas. Click on it. This section controls the visual appearance of your chart, including the crosshair. Scroll down until you find the crosshair section. Here, you'll see options to customize how your crosshair looks. Look for the line style option. You can change it from solid to dashed or dotted depending on your preference. You can also adjust the color and thickness to make it more visible or less distracting. As you change these settings, you'll see a live preview on your chart. Take a moment to try different styles until you find what feels right. Once you're happy, click OK to apply your changes. Now your crosshair cursor will appear exactly how you customized it. That's it. You've successfully changed the crosshair line style in Tradingview. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.